Now, if you have your server and you need to create your own library, okay, only go to options, not important import, if also no part, no assembly, no drawing, just open the program and go to right click on this gear options and go to this option, file locations, and select weldment profiles, and add your new extension, new path, okay, like this path D. This is my own, okay, not the default software. D libraries dash 3D CAD libraries dash profiles, okay, and save all these libfet profile files into this one. Okay, you will find it in the menu of weldment. Okay, very easy, no problem. Clear or repeat again? Clear? Good. Now I need to start something like a small engineering idea, but first okay, we need to try to join Arnold and Mr. Khaldoun because it's a very important issue. But now we can continue our project of the charging station. Now, to avoid all these sketches, as we said before, you can select this one. You will show only the model. Now we need to create the door. The door here, okay. The door will be installed after the assembly or with this one. If it will be installed with this one, it's okay, we can go and create also the door here. If no, we will create it out. Now we have this one, and I think the door also will be here. Okay, click remove sketches, show hide, not remove, show hide. Now new part, sketch, any dimension now, no problem. But this no. Sheet metal. Do you remember key factor? Our lecture yesterday. Internally. And reduce the gap. And give it any number. Exactly. Right click. P number 11. and bring it here. Right click, sorry, minimize, and so. You can align it only with Y direction. You can use this plan if you are sure that this plan in the middle, at the middle, okay, with also with this plan, okay, with the plan of the part. Instead width, you know width feature, edge, okay. If you are okay, you don't need to make width, just do these two plans. And now make the clearance. We'll create the clearance between them. Measure first, measure inside 130, and this one 290. So 130, sorry, 290, 130, okay, no problem. You can add your clearance up to you. 190 minus 6 millimeters, 3 from each side. May Mr. Khaldun have another number? Okay, we can modify. No, that's again 3. This one. And now we need to create the pivot to open and close the door. Okay, pivot. We'll go to here, but in this way it's very important to open part in position. You know why? Because now I haven't any special signs, in this part that this side is okay. Because if I will make it open here and make, for example, this sketch, and close, this is by luck, but maybe this sketch you find it here, okay, because you open this part separately. Not important in part like that, and you will go to directly and make your sketch on the open. We'll find the sketch here, okay. But to fix your view, open part in position. This is a real position, but also opened separately. You can remove this one, and this means that you are right in this position. These are on job. These are actual problems you can face. Make a dimension and create dimension also from the face, and create it, I don't know, maybe 5, maybe. Go. And go to this one. You can create your sketch of this hinge, not in this file. You can create it in assembly directly on this face, okay. Maybe with the equal relations are open, anyone with anywhere from anything, any piece. give him any number, 10 for example, and okay, and create mate this circle with this circle concentric, and you will find, okay. Let's first fix the angle. Advanced mates. Do you remember this one that we made in the door? We made the angle between this one, this face, and this face, 0, minimum, maximum 90 degree. So it's okay. Stop at 0 and open with 90. Now we can adjust and change the dimension or the space of this, the position of this pivot. You can go this one here, sketch here. You can change this name by door pivot and change. Okay, let's discuss something. Now we have a problem. Our problem that here to here, this edge have 12 millimeter. So we need to reach this one to this one 12 millimeter plus 3. 12 millimeter plus 3 to get the gap between them. Okay, understands? Hector, understand this? Okay. So you will change this shorty minus 12 minus 3. If you can summation in your mind, okay. If you can do it and maybe error, no, minus this 3, 30 minus 12 minus 3 would be okay. Now we have the 3 millimeters distance, normal distance. No, this x in x way direction 3 millimeter are okay. Let's check. Opening and closing. See? Have a problem where? No problem here, but the main problem here. Okay, so we can try to change position. Check also if this face on this face it's okay. In Z0 it's okay. Why? Because these two dimensions are the same. 10 and the other 10. Okay. Got this pivot. And we can change this 10 to be maybe 8. Okay, and change this one also to be 8. And change this one from this one. Okay. Now we will learn something, not software, just concept. Now I need to change one only dimension. So each time go to this part number 11, change door pivot, and go to the sketch, change. Why? We can change only in assembly this main door pivot only, and automatically will change the answer. Okay, how? Okay, we made it before, like normal equation. Right click just on this sketch door pivot in part number 11. Only right click, double click, remove this perspective before, just a video card problem, not more, and give him, yes, this equal what? Equal this one. Okay, again. Now I open the menu of part number 11. Okay, I need to connect these dimensions with this one in assembly. When I need to change, only go to assembly. I'm in assembly already by default. Just click change. Okay, finished. All right, Hector, it's okay. Understand all? Okay. Only under part 11, go to door pivot, right click, double left click, and this dimension will be equal what? Go to here or here, no problem. Click on the main door pivot, sketch in assembly, and select only this dimension. Okay, finished. The first relation. Okay. See, equation. Red sign, you can change from this way, from this position. Okay. The algebra. It's very important because they are not equal. They aren't equal, but have a relation. What's the relation between them? Now you need to keep this 3 millimeters. You need to always keep this 3 millimeters and the thickness. Okay, let's explain it in detail. Where is now? Okay, now I have a pivot here. Okay, and I have the main frame. Alright, and I have the door. With blue. Okay? In this dimension, this position of pivot in main frame, center from main edge X. Okay? And center from this edge Y. Right? This dimension of red pivot, red circle, because red circle has been drawn according main frame. Okay? And at the door, I open the door separately and also drawn a circle. Yeah? Here, for example. Not the same position. Okay? But the circle in the door model related dimensions between here to here only, x1, and from here to external face with y2, y1. Okay? Because your face aligned with your edge of frame, so y equal y1 that we made, okay, from minutes ago. But the problem in what? In x1 and x, what's the relation can be done between them? So x equal 20 and x1 equal 50. What is 5? What is 5? This difference. What about this difference? This difference meaning this gap 3 millimeters and the sheet metal thickness 2 millimeters. Okay? This sheet metal thickness have a 2 millimeters here plus 3 millimeters here gap. So the difference between them are 2 factors: thickness and gap. Thickness and gap. So the relation will be the same. Clear? Clear? Okay. Door pivot. Good. Equal what? Equal this one, this 20 minus this 20 minus what? You can write minus 5. Okay, it's okay, but may act a problem. Why? Because this 5 is already have 2 factors, 3 and 2. Okay, each factor can be changed in future. You don't know. You may change your thickness of sheet metal. Okay, you may change the gap. So you can minus 3, minus 2. Separate it. Okay, because when you change the gap, you can only change the 3, not make the calculations again. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, if we need to change, let's check. Now I need to change this pivot to be more near to edge. So go to only here. This 20 will be 10, will be 15. Like, just Ctrl Q. Just Ctrl Q or update. Already has been moved again to its place. And if you will get to 11, part number 11, you will find 10 and 8 has been changed to 10. Yes, 15 minus 3 minus 2 equal 10. Alright, now you have a relation, haven't a problem, you have really a relation. Okay, and you can check it normal and see what about have error. See, the interference reduced, not increased, because reduced. Okay, we can check again. Good joke, huh? Good play. Okay, we can check it again. Close it, and this will be 12. First, the door will become down. Ctrl Q, refresh the equation, update it. Okay, check. No, it's okay. It's okay. Really haven't a problem. Okay. All right. We can only check this dimension, because this is the minimum one. 0.5. 0.5 maybe after painting. After painting, the painting will get the sheet metal more thickness. Okay. Maybe after painting have a friction between them. Okay. So we need to avoid this one. From this way, I haven't problem, because I found that we may have 1.7 is very good. Okay, but here we have 0.5. 0.55 may have a friction after painting. Okay, so we can change the dimension of this 8, maybe 7, and go change it. Sorry. $1.2. It's very good, no problem. Now you haven't a problem to 9 degree. Okay, you can also change your 9 degree to be something more. Come, right click, edit, come to mate, this one. Okay, right click, edit, and change it to 100 to see. Oh, sorry, the maximum would be, for example, 120, and we'll change it to 100 to see where is the 100. I think it's okay. 100 is okay. We can only maximum 100. This means that this door in future can be open to 100. Okay? Good. It's okay. And here you can check 2 millimeters, and from here 4 millimeters, 4 millimeters. It's okay. Now gasket will be, I think, 5 millimeter. Okay, and this gasket when pressed, it will press to 2 millimeters. Okay, will be waterproofed. All right. So you are finished. This haven't any problem. You can just cut, and this very simple way. You can cut it like that. You can go to here in assembly, one shot. In assembly, you have something called assembly features. You can find cut. What's the cut? This sketch. Where is sketch? This sketch. Main door. Cut it through. And select here. You have to select your components, not auto select. No, this component and this one. This means the cut will be activated on these two components only. Okay. Go away. Finished. At once. Okay. There are something very important in these features. If this one or any feature from them is the same, cut, revolve, suit cut, fillet, the same features in parts. Okay, the same. It's very important something here. Now, after cutting, we have a problem. If I will open, where is the cut? Bye, where is the cut? Can see, where? No cut. Allah. So, what's this? The magic appeared here and disappeared into part. Yes. In manufacturing, we have something called in Arabic called Arabu. This means that make it on the reality. Okay, so if I have this mobile or this, if you have this paper, and this paper we need to make this history like this dimension. Okay, and you have it this dimension. You have it. You don't know. You will tell your operator, cut a piece of line, a piece of wood, okay, with the dimension more than you want, more than this, okay, and he will count this all together and check with his pen and go to his source. Okay? The same action. Now, when you just make cut and assembly, you make it like that. This means that when you will export drawings for manufacture, these drawings will not include hole, will not include the cut. Okay? But your cut will be in assembly on the real body. Okay? You will put it and okay? But will not be on the drawing. The laser will not do this cut. Okay? So, if we need to change this idea, no, I need this cut into files because will be in drawing. Click edit and go to here, propagate features to parts. Propagate features to parts. This means that put this feature into parts. Okay. Just okay. It will give you something called what?
What do you mean, sir, if you don't check that propagate features into ground?
Yeah?
When you plotted that one, the hole is not there.
Yeah. The holes will not found.
When you put check, when you plotted that one,
Yeah.
and in laser, the hole
Yes.
is there.
Okay? We may, this problem maybe, this problem may be something error in software in my end, but no problem. We can try it on another part, small one. If we have an assembly, open assembly immediately. Yes, assembly file. And create new part here. Extrude. And we have another part. For example, like that. Now we have two parts. If we make cut and cut anything, circle or through all, and create this, select this part and this one, open, nothing. But right click, edit features, propagate of open this one, sorry, open feature. Okay, understand? Clear? Okay, you will see this feature have this sign. Do you remember what sign means? We see it in the first lectures. Why this feature only have this sign? Anyone, do you remember?
This is connected with the...
Right. It have a relation. This means that this feature have a relation. Okay? Have a relation with what? See? When you just mouse over. Yes? Read this one. Have a context with ASM2. ASM2 is the name of the assembly file. The name of the assembly file. Okay? When you go to return, ASM2 have a relation. Okay? This means that if I will change this cut and convert it, no circle, and I will delete, not change, I will delete, and I'll convert it something like that. Go. Okay? This sign means that you have a relation. But here, the extrude haven't any relation. If now I will connect this extrude one with the assembly, we'll add the sign. Okay? Let's show. I will go to this one, right click, edit feature. I need to save. Need to save. Okay, we'll save it. Save the assembly externally. Blah 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 blah. You see now. Okay. No. Need to be assembled with its name. Okay. Make new folder. Internally. And when you go to edit now, edit the part. I edit the part. Okay. You can go directly from here or here. If you need, right click, edit part. Okay. Or if you need to edit another special feature into part, you can go directly to right click, edit sketch, and if you need to connect it with this file, for example, I need to connect this point with this point. Okay. Okay. Let's check. Go open. Fine. Now has sign. And then when come to it, have a relation. Have a relation. Now this sketch, see, this sketch have also connection between what? Assembly. Okay, separation between parts. Okay, understand? Clear? Okay, you can go to a break. And let's meet together again after break, okay? After we lunch.